The Milwaukee 2967 impact wrench might just be the tool that takes your automotive or construction work to a new level. Let's dig into what makes this tool a standout. Milwaukee focused on creating a robust yet manageable tool, and the 2967 does not disappoint. At 7.6 inches, it is surprisingly compact for a high-torque tool, allowing users to access tight spaces like engine compartments and dense frameworks without strain. The grip is thoughtfully crafted with rubber overmolding, which enhances comfort and control even during extended use. Its weight, just under 6 pounds bare, is well distributed for stability and control, even with the addition of a high-capacity battery. In addition to comfort, the durability stands out. Milwaukee uses rugged housing and a reinforced anvil area to withstand heavy-duty applications. The battery compartment includes vibration-reducing technology to extend the battery life and improve handling. Another plus is the tri-LED lighting system surrounding the anvil, which is ideal for illuminating dim workspaces without additional shadowy spots, a game changer for low-light tasks in garages or construction sites. Milwaukee packed the 2967 with standout power and intelligent features. The brushless power state motor delivers high torque levels, maxing out at 1,100 foot-pounds of torque for fastening and 1,600 foot-pounds for nut busting, making it one of the strongest in its class. This power is perfect for automotive pros and construction tasks involving heavy machinery or stubborn bolts. The wrench offers 4 drive modes, including a highly valued auto shutoff mode that caps torque at 50 foot-pounds to avoid over-tightening, ideal for delicate applications. The 4th mode also includes a bolt removal mode, which utilizes full torque to loosen fasteners and then automatically decreases speed to prevent flying bolts. This fine-tuned control saves time and enhances safety by preventing fasteners from accidentally dropping or getting lost. With a max speed of 2000 RPM and an impact rate of 2400 IPM, this wrench can handle both speed and power applications seamlessly. When it comes to high-torque impact wrenches, this one stands as a powerful option against competitors like the DeWalt and Makita. While the DeWalt offers a similar torque range, this model is slightly more compact and includes enhanced features such as the tri-LED lighting and auto shutoff mode. Users find the Milwaukee slightly more manageable in tight spaces thanks to its reduced head length and effective battery layout. Compared to Makita, this tool is more compatible with existing M18 battery setups, making it an easy addition for users already in the Milwaukee ecosystem. The 2967 is priced at around $299 for the bare tool. For a kit with a battery, charger and storage bag, expect to pay around $399, while a double battery set with a hard case typically retails at $499. Now, let's break down the highs and lows of the Milwaukee to give you the full picture. Cons: heavier than some alternatives for extended use. Higher price, especially with battery kits. Limited utility for light DIY tasks. Pros: impressive torque for tough jobs. Compact 7.6-inch design for tight spaces. Durable brushless motor for longevity. 4 versatile modes including auto shutoff. Integrated tri-LEDs for clear lighting. If you're ready to make tasks easier with Milwaukee's powerful compact impact wrench, check out the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.